Hi, it's Dulcie Crawford here at Simply Vegas Real Estate, the Dulcie Crawford Group, and touching on base on the market that we just left, 2018. Happy New Year, moving into 2019, and just kind of want to bring you up to date where we stand and what's going on. And 2018 was an incredible year. I mean, it started out slow, went crazy high, market jumped up quite a bit, but then right around September, inventory levels went up, interest rates went up, and once we hit over 5%, market started to crash down, and it was kind of a slow crash, but basically it did crash quite a bit, almost like 10% in a lot of areas of town, especially where the market was a bit higher, say here, 89052, 89012, where my office and I live here in Henderson. And I wanted to cover that, 2018 still ended with definitely positive results from where we were at, say 2016. The market has gone up, 17, 18% since then, right? And now where we're at with the Wall Street kind of crashing this last week or so is actually created a positive result for housing with the interest rates going down. So that's helping the buyers that went on the fence come back out. So I definitely urge anybody that's thinking about listing, give me a call, and I'm happy to go over what the market in your particular neighborhood or community is, because each neighborhood can be different. But what I'm going to talk about stats today is Henderson, one of my favorite zip codes, 89052. I do a lot of business in this zip code. I've lived here and worked here for almost 17 plus years. And 89052 ended up very strong with $216 a square foot average, median average for the sale price of a home. You're looking at 122 days on the market, and 41% price, actually the increase 6%. You also have inventory of about 262 houses in 89052. Now that is up substantially from the beginning of 2018. What I want to mention too is to keep in mind as well, I beat all these stats in 89052. So I sell my houses faster, generally 30 days or less, put them under contract, and I generally am getting higher than the median to average price per square foot. Like I said, I just closed my poetry house for $248 a square foot, the highest sale in the Anthem area for a single story similar to that home. So that I definitely have a lot of sellers happy with me in the Coventry community for that sale. And something else to keep in mind too is that we're basically looking at a market that is probably going to do less this year, based on me going to the UNLV symposium I did last year. I go to a lot of these symposiums and informational conventions, etc., seminars, to keep up with the market. They're predicting about 6 to 8%. I want to say stay conservative and say it's probably going to be 6 to 7% maybe growth this year. If the interest rates stay lower, then maybe we will hit the 8%. California market and several of the other states, people are flooding the Las Vegas Valley and relocating here for a better affordability index to live. And, being able to buy housing at a reasonable price. And we have lots of good job growth in the Vegas Valley. So there's a lot of positive things that are going on in Vegas that I believe will still manage to keep us very stable, even though other parts of the country might continue to have a downward turn. So I'm thinking very positive for moving forward this year. It's still a good year and time to list and sell your home. There's lots of good motivated buyers out there that are looking to buy. Like I said, I just closed a bunch of my sellers in December. Even though the market had crashed, I got much better results and still got them sold quickly and for top dollar, over appraised value, quite a few of them. So it is possible to still sell in this market. I mean, it's really only kind of shifted to just a barely, into the buyer's favor market. So we're still in a situation where sellers aren't paying closing costs. We're not having to bend over backwards yet. To get buyers interested in our properties. So, and buyers are getting a better deal. I mean, they are negotiating a little bit better price. They're getting some better terms. Buyers are taking advantage of lower interest rates right now. So it's it's a good, exciting time in real estate in Las Vegas. Feel free to give me a call directly. I'm happy to talk to you more about the real estate market.